What's up, guys? Alright, Bussweh there to get. Alright, cut that. Alright, what's up, guys? Today we have Bussweh here again. Channel is behind the camera. You see me, so for all those who are wondering. But here what? Today we're in this hotel called Grand Palladium. Wonderful, magnificent hotel. First of all, he tricked me and told me that we were going to Montego Bay, and now we're in Lucea. I have to drive for hours upon 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 hours. We just drive until we couldn't bother drive no more. But the hotel is really nice. I don't regret coming so far. I really enjoyed the hospitality. The food wasn't, I guess the food wasn't my favorite, but I enjoyed like the resort itself. So the room was really nice. It was big and spacious. I got a jacuzzi. The beach is okay. The place on a whole is like really nice. So I'll definitely come back to Grand Palladium. I appreciate how the staff dealt with me. I appreciate how everything was handled. Yeah. So I did a cinematic video of Grand Palladium today, and trust me, you're gonna love it. So here we are. No talking, straight into it. I enjoyed being at Grand Palladium. I enjoyed it. The vibes was nice, the hospitality was good, food is okay, the resort itself is like wonderful. It's just massive and it's beautiful. So you guys should come and check it out whenever you can. You see me? It's very nice for vacations and business trips and stuff like that.